Hey guys, don't mind the bonnet. I just washed my hair and it's a mess. It's a mess under there. Yeah, it's a mess. So I just leave it there to, let the gel set for a while. Yeah, but that's not what I come to you about. Alright, so I've been going through some stuff for the past month and I just come to motivate someone or inspire someone because for the last month, or for the first week in the month, I was trying to do things on my terms, and then the last, what should I say now, from this week, I've been doing things different, and I realized the difference it made. And even though things have not yet put itself back together fully yet, but I believe it will. But God is showing me some stuff that I never saw before, and just now He actually showed me like the root of the cause. And I just come to encourage you, like I know many persons may be going through a lot of stuff as it relates to work, life, relationship, families, church, a lot of stuff. And you're wondering like how are you going to overcome this, or how are you going to overcome these obstacles. So we must remember that it's not by might nor by power, but it's by the Spirit, says the Lord. And we cannot rely on our strength. We must always rely on the Spirit that's within us, and God gave us that to lead us daily. And I went to church last Tuesday, Bible study, and if I didn't learn anything, I learned that we must always find a quiet time for God. And it's not the first time I'm hearing it or anything, but it's just a reminder, like we must always make quiet time for God. Like get away from the noise and the whole crowd, and just find a room, worship and pray and listen, spend time to listen, because that is one of the reason why we have 2 ears and 1 mouth. We must listen twice as much as we speak. So listen, God don't only want us to just come to Him. He wants to give us direction and insight. And I know you may be hearing the background because I'm outside, but sorry about that. But yeah, Tuesday night I learned that. And then Wednesday I went to our Power Wednesday, and I learned a lot of stuff. And as I said, it's not the first time I'm hearing it, but sometimes when you're going through a situation, that's when these things actually sink, like it actually make an impact on your life. So I went there Wednesday, and Wednesday said, fight, don't give up, keep fighting. And for the whole week I've been listening to gospel song. Like if I'm in the house, it's just pure gospel. I don't know if you can hear it in the background. I think you're hearing stuff, but gospel is right now playing inside, and I've been sleeping with it, I wake up with it. If I'm going on the road, I turn off that and then I put in my headphone. I'm on the road with the gospel. The only time I don't listen to gospel is when like I'm at school and teacher is teaching, and there comes a point where I turn it down. It's still playing, but I turn it down and I spend time to listen. And I'm not gonna tell no lie, sometimes my mind do wander off, but I see God in every step of the way. I literally see God in every step of the way. God's telling me this and this and this, and just now we actually come with the root of the cause. And I'm just saying, God is so awesome. God is so awesome. So this is just an encouragement to tell you guys, spend time with your maker, and also spend time to listen. You don't always have to go to God and tell God, this is what's going on. God already know. This is what I want. God already know. Just listen. Sometimes God wants to give you directions, like go there, go here, and stay here, or do this, don't do that. He wants to give you divine direction, and because you're so busy, you're not hearing. And that's why most time get caught up in so many situations because we're not spending time listening to our makeup. So this is my little 2 cents. I hope it helps someone out there. And yeah, I am actually glad that whatever I'm going through now is actually building me, and I'm learning a lot from it. And not every bad situation is bad. Always try to find the good in the situation. Like, so for example, for instance, there is this bad guy out there and he's been doing a lot of stuff, killing people and stealing. And yes, it is bad, right? And he get locked up and he's in jail, and they required for his bail is $1 million or something like that. And while he's in there, he could be getting the word, he could be getting a change of heart and all of that. So that could actually help him to get out of his situation. But so for instance, you went ahead and bailed him, he's just gonna come back and do the same thing. While when he could be in there, trying to reflect on life and changing his lifestyle and trying to make himself better so that he can come out and impact the world in a better way. So don't always look at bad situation bad, because you can always get good out of bad. And yeah, spend time with your maker. I am Nessa, and don't you forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it. And I see 69% of you guys watching my video but not subscribe. What are you waiting on? It is free, just subscribe and support the girl, support your girl. I know I'm not what should I say? Yeah, but yeah, just support your girl, Nessa. Support and subscribe and share. Thank you guys for always coming back and checking up on my videos. And I realize I don't have to do a lot of promotion on WhatsApp and Facebook. You guys just come and watch anyway. So I thank you guys for always coming. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and tell me what you guys want to see. Thank you. Bye.